Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial I will teach you how to fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. First of all, you need to open your Steam and go to your library. You need to find Marvel Rivals. If you have a lot of games, you can use the search bar. So here is Marvel Rivals. You need to click it and then go to the settings. You will find the settings icon on the right side of the page. Click it and go to properties. Now go to the installed files and click browse. So this is the location where game is installed. We need to scroll down until we will see Marvel Rivals launcher, which is right here. Right click on it and go to the properties. Then you need to go to the compatibility settings and you need to tick this, run this program in compatibility mode and leave it on Windows 8. Then you need to also check this, disable full screen optimizations, and also we need to turn this on, run this program as an administrator, click apply and OK. Most likely this will solve your problem, but if your GPU still crashes, you can do another thing. You can open the Steam again, go to your Marvel Rivals page and go to the settings, then properties, go to the installed files again and click verify integrity of the game files. So most likely one of these two options will help you to solve this problem. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.